Puzzle Box Kids.
Running through the magic gate, Magic Valley, we can't wait. Pixie and Giggle, hand in hand, stepping into this wonderland. Bright balloons are floating high, smiling up at the sunny sky. Round and round the horses go, fast and high or nice and slow. On the carousel we play, laughing through the happy day. Giggle laughs out, ha ha ha, spinning round with hip hurrah. Up we go into the air, flying on the magic chair. Giggle shouts out, woo, look at me! Flying high and feeling free, the gentle breeze blows past our face. This is such a happy place. In the jungle jeep we ride, looking all around with pride. Pixie points out, look ahead, following where the track is led. Monkeys wave and lions roar, let us see what is in store. Splash, splash, floating on the blue, sailing down the water too. Giggle shouts out, splish, splash, splash. Water drops go swish and slosh. We drift along the shiny stream, living in a happy dream. Time for treats so sweet and fine, cotton candy oh so divine. Winning prizes big and small, having fun and loving it all. Giggle cheers, yay, I won! Playing games is so much fun. Up into the starry sky, on the giant wheel we fly, looking down at all the park, glowing bright before the dark. Both shout happily, oh so bright. What a magical story.